Video we're going to learn how to install a DEB package on your system. So I need to install Visual Studio Code. I came here to the website, I clicked to the direct download button, and it downloaded a DEB package, right? In my system, I'm running Ubuntu, which is Debian-based distribution. So DEB packages are suitable for my system. If it's a CentOS system, then we need to use download.rpms packages, right? But the installation process is exactly the same. So we come onto the terminal, right? And it's downloaded into the download folder, which is the current working directory right now. And I check whether it's downloaded. So yes, it's downloaded. Following is the command to install it. We write sudo to give it the sudo or super user ss. Then we write the package manager, which is specifically for installing DEB packages. That's name is dpkg. Then we give it a flag of install -i. There are various flags related to this package manager, but the most important one is -i. So I'm not getting into the details of those because they are complex for usage. After that, I need to type the name of the package and hit enter. Give the password, and if nothing gets wrong, it's going to install successfully. Sometimes there are some clashes between the dependencies which cause errors. Then we need to fix them manually, and in that case it shows that it's not installed successfully. If that's not the case, it's installed it and doesn't show you any message that it's successfully installed. So we don't get any error message, so that means it's installed. Let's check whether it's working. I open it up, open the wrong thing. It show Visual Studio Code. It's appeared in my softwares. So yes, it's successfully installed. That is it for this video.